Go drop a kayak for the first time today. Getting a zip out the truck, you feel me? Where I'm at. About to put you off this thing. Put your ass in the water. Put your ass in the lecture. We're going right up to. Might go to Peanut Island. Like a punk ass police right here, bitch ass nigga. Look at this long ass walk. I had to walk this whole shit to go drop that bitch in the water. Tell me why the hell I just went into Manushka, my niece. Seen at the park early in the fucking morning. That shit crazy. What should I get back to the kayak? Yeah. About to take this baby out, baby. Yeah, I think we're ready. Put the park this baby right here. Gonna go north, just to the left. Go a couple blocks. About 300-400 yards. And come back and chill. It's hot as shit out here, boy. Put my speeds down. Alright, let's go do something. Yeah. Up on a kayak, you know what I'm talking about? It's hot as shit. Behind me. Another one behind me. Talking about. And we got him up there. I ain't throw him in the water yet. Thank you, daughter. Thank baby girl. This some fun ass shit, boy. It's some fun ass shit. So you right. Fucking Haitians on a kayak, you know what I'm talking about? Alright, let me pause here right here. Let me do some picture, son. It is hot. Oh shit, oh shit. Straight fucking vibing, son. Yes, sir. Living the fucking life. About to smoke a joint when I bounce like this. Yes, sir. This ain't to catch me a fish right now, though. She in the water. She, uh-oh. 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 Could it be? Oh, shit. It's fucking... I'm not too big for this damn kayak. It's some fun-ass shit. Oh, my God.
Zoe fishing.
Go fishing with a kayak. Hopefully, I don't get supported. I'm gonna come off the kayak, though. I can't fish like this. Got 20 poles.
What is called again? Oh, look at my line. What is that called again?
Go fishing, baby. Hitching to a kayak. Crazy hitching to a kayak, bro. Man, it was fun out there.